to calculate company future income or revenue of its first 7 years, it is necessary to understand concept of linear and growth trends. In series dialog box type section, you can see there are two options, linear and growth. If you check linear option and trend box, the values of revenue are changed by a constant amount of each year. This trend is called linear trend because it changes the values of revenue by a constant amount. Linear trend projects values between starting and ending values. Suppose I enter year 1 sales value $350,000 and I enter year 7 sales value $600,000. Linear trend will change the values by a constant amount. The difference between 2 years' values will remain constant. If you check growth option, the values of revenue are changed by a constant percentage of each year. This trend is called growth trend because it changes the values of revenue by a constant percentage. So linear and growth trends are used to estimate values by a constant amount and a constant percentage.